Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find some missing music playlists on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the music app. Next, in here tap on library at the bottom. Then in here tap on playlist. Now if in library you cannot find playlist, I will address this issue later on in the video how you can bring it back. But if you do see playlist, tap on it, and in here you can see in my playlist it does not show all of the playlists that I have. So what you want to do is tap on this button, the filter button at the top corner, then tap on all playlists, and this will show you all the music playlists that you have created, and it will show everything. So because of this filter, that's why your playlist gone missing. Okay, now let's go back to library. If in library you do not see playlist, what you want to do is tap on edit at the top, then make sure playlist option is checked. You can see here if I remove the checkbox, then playlist option is gone. So to show the playlist option, tap on the checkbox to make sure it is selected, then tap on done. Then the playlist item will be available in your library list. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.